Market optimism ahead of Trump's inauguration, key trends and buzzing stocks. The good news, GIFT Nifty is jumping higher ahead of Trump's inauguration. It's really nice to see optimism swirling ahead of President-elect Donald Trump's inauguration this Monday, 20th January. Actually, enthusiasm on buy side started building since Friday's trade at Wall Street towards the incoming Trump administration, which gave a boost to US equities. In Friday's trade, the S&P 500 rose 1% and the Nasdaq 100 advanced 1.6%, the Dow Jones climbed 0.8% or 334 points. Meanwhile, Wall Street will be closed today in observance of Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Elsewhere, copper futures have risen above $4.42 per pound, its 2-month high on expectations of higher demand. The latest data showed that China's industrial output rose much more than expected in December, indicating stimulus from Beijing are having a greater impact in spending. Amidst this backdrop, we expect Nifty Metal Index to be a big outperformer in the near term. The only big headline for the day, record exodus from the foreign institutional investors. This January so far, they have sold to the tune of Rs. 46,576.20 crores. Global cues are positive. In Friday's positive session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 3318 crores, while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of Rs 2573 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals suggests that the benchmark is at oversold zone on the daily charts. FANO January month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,500 to 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering at 15.74 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th January, is at 0.98 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th January, is at 0.52. Nifty outlook, Nifty may trade with a positive bias, but Trump tariff is a wild card out there. Nifty, CMP 23203. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 23,137 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 23,395 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,100 and 23400. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 48541. Bank Nifty's biggest support now seen at 47,897 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 50,150 mark closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 48,100 and 49100. Bias for the day is neutral. In Friday's trade, Nifty and its stock sobbed, indicating Dalal Street is not yet fully prepared for the potential fallout from proposed Trump tariffs. Meanwhile, the three big catalysts in the near term. 1. The Federal Open Market Committee's next policy meeting on January 28th to 29th. 2. The Union Budget 2025-26, scheduled for 1st February. 3. Delhi Assembly election voting on 5th February, results on 8th February. Buzzing stocks. 1. In Friday's trade, Infosys ADR was down 1.76% despite Nasdaq 100 gaining 1.6% and most importantly, Nasdaq posting a 3.9% weekly gain. 2. The corporate India's Q3 earnings to trickle in today, APL Apollo Pipes, AGI Greenpack, Dixon, MCX, Lanti Finance, 197 Communication, Paytm, Oberoi Realty, IRFC, Zomato. 3. RBL Bank Q3 results, net profit falls gross non-performing asset, NPA, ratio was 2.92% as on 31st December 2024, as compared to 2.88% as on 30th September 2024. 4. Kotak Mahindra Bank delivered a steady performance in Q3 FY25 as its consolidated profit came at 4,701.02 crore rupees, posting a growth of 10.23%. It posted total income during the quarter in review at 23,945.79 crore rupees, down 0.57% as against 24,083.15 crore rupees during the third quarter of FY24.